Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can customize and rearrange menu items in the Samsung Internet menu on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the Samsung Internet app. Next, tap on the menu key at the bottom. And from here, tap on the settings icon from the pop-up menu. Next, we go down and tap on layout and menu. Then at the bottom, tap on customize menu. Next, to rearrange the menu items in here, you can touch and hold, and then you can drag it around to rearrange the icons in the menu. As you can see, I can place them in the last item, or I can move the print button to the top if I wanted to. So just touch and hold and then rearrange the icon as necessary. Next, you can also rearrange the bottom navigation bar as well. So for example, if you want to move the back key or the forward key, you can drag it to the left or to the right hand side. You can also rearrange the home button to the right hand side as well. So simply touch and then drag the icon around the menu. At the top here are some additional items that you can add to the menu. So for example, I can add QR code scanner to the menu in here. And from here, I can tap on the back key. So if you tap on the back key to go back to your Samsung Internet, and you can see in here, if I tap on the menu key, it will show us the QR code scanner that we have just added. And if you make a mistake or if you don't like the way it looks, you can tap on settings, then tap on layout and menu, then tap on customize menu, and you can tap on the reset button to reset it back to the default settings. And that's it. And that is how you can customize the menu for your Samsung Internet Browser app on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.